We got the other hole drilled. This is all in here. It's tighter. It's tighter. Not as tight as it was before. And I realized that this hole back here was a lot farther distance from this hole to this one. So I split it up in the middle, drilled one more. I'm just gonna have to fiberglass these up. And I shaved that shit down way too much. And it actually peeled off. So I'm gonna have to fiberglass that back up. But that's another day, because I don't have the right fiberglass repair shit for it. So we're gonna have to fix that soon. I tried to sand this down, but I ran out of 80 grit. Just a whole bunch of shit going on right now. It's fantastic. But the hood fits a lot cleaner. It's all flush against it. So we don't have to worry about that. And it's just the sides that I'm dealing with now. It's a pain in the ass, but we'll get through it one of these fucking days. I'm gonna go smoke. I'm gonna take a break from this fucking car because I'm sick and tired of it. There's always something to do, and I feel like I never have enough to do. But anyways, hope you guys have a good one. I'll probably record later tonight. If not, then I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Yo, yo, yo. So we're back with another day, and I think almost got this thing completely ready to paint. I've been working on it so far. Like in these general areas right here, you can see like where I repainted it and stuff, just or re-primered it, just so that the guys at the shop don't have to do that. And I know that they're not gonna make it to my car, so I've been having to shave down. Like I bondoed all that on, all of this extra I bondoed on so that it can connect to that just like that, and it fits. I fixed the hole that was right here, so now it looks like that. Not too bad. Gotta kind of fix right there, but other than that, we got all of the hood linings hooded or up to point, and there's nothing I can really do about these because they're not made to fit with my car. So I would have to like bondo that totally differently. Same way with this side. But I just got a zip tie in there right now. And I'm working on my hood because for some reason this one's sitting so much lower than this side, you see? It at least gets smooth over here, but this one doesn't even get smooth. It just stays down. So I'm trying to figure out how to pop that one back up so that they're the same height. And I just got done kind of cleaning out my mom's garage. Not even gonna lie, because this thing was horrific. Absolutely horrific. So yeah, but anyways, I'm just gonna keep working on this. I'll record some of it just so that you guys can see kind of what I'm doing. But other than that, that's just kind of what we're going for today. All of these videos are gonna be mashed up into one, so that you can see the process of me getting the bumper, the days of where I sanded down the bumper, the days of where I drilled into the bumper, the days of where I had to re-bondo into the bumper, because I actually did use some bondo glass. Unfortunately, I didn't show any of that, but it is what it is. So we're just getting to it and trying to get it done. Alrighty, boys and girls, I think we finally got the fitment good. I just gotta add a few more things. Gonna be fiberglassing up a few things, just the edges, around the edges, just right in this area, and then also be like right in this area, just because I kind of grinded that down a little bit too much. Now we gotta go back through it, fix it up, but everything's kind of getting there where it needs to be. Using the bondo glass today, short strand reinforcement fiberglass filler for repair of small holes up to 1/2 inch. So about around there and whatnot, we'll be hitting it. And I went through and did all this, so you guys saw that. But yep, she's getting there. Slowly but surely, she's getting there. And so I'm gonna get to filling and sanding and everything and grinding and yo. So unfortunately, I'm gonna be taking off the plastidip to the roof of my car today. We're gonna have no more black up there. It'll just be all white. And I did get the bumper all set and done. I'll show you guys that real quick, just so I can finally call this video a quits for my bumper installation. But I just gotta throw a bolt back up on that side, and then we should be all good. But it's lowered, the bumper's on, the sun's shining. I actually just started buffing out my hood. You can't see it right now probably, but you can kind of see it. So a couple scratches and stuff on that side, and then this side I buffed out, made it super clean. And right now we're actually taking some acetone residue and going throughout the car, trying to get it off. I can come back through with the acetone and actually take all this off. I'm just worried about it coming through. Oh God, it actually takes rust off. Going through and actually hurting my paint afterwards. But either way, I'm gonna buff it out, get all the paint off, get all this off of my glass, and then probably take the buffer, buff it out. That's what we got sitting over here. So we've been hitting it with the medium polish pad, the cutting and clean, and then right after that hitting it with an ultra fine. And then I actually threw on a microfiber towel pad for this ceramic coat stuff sold by the chemical guys, Hydro Slick, which actually made it super fucking slippery. It made it super nice. So it's got a nice hydro coat on there, and then I also threw a ceramic coat over it just for that extra finish and everything. So it should be solid. I bought one of these 120 volt 7-inch speed polishers. They're actually only like $40 now, and it's a sander too, so if we ever need to sand, then we can sand as well. So my trash cans are actually about to tip over, but I'm gonna keep on working at this fucking roof, and I'll get back to you as soon as I get at least halfway. Alrighty, well, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I got most of it off. Key thing, don't use a microfiber pad, because it actually scratched all this up. But I got most of it out, to be honest. I got it all smooth again, so that I got a sealant paint over it and everything. But if you check this out, so this is like what the back of my car looks like right now, like not polished or anything. Keep getting it done. Yeah, you can see on this side all the scratches. No scratches. But yeah, we're getting there. I should have cleaned all this up. I'll be able to chill out and smoke, do all that. But it's been a long day. Trying to get that shit off. I've kind of fucked up. Used acetone. Probably shouldn't have used it because they have plastidip remover. But it is what it is. We're getting it off, getting it done. Putting the car back to actually how I want it so that I can get it wrapped. We're gonna get the bumper wrapped. We're gonna get the car wrapped. I'm gonna get new wheels. And then we'll start getting the plenum mod and fresh intakes, all that. So bumper's good, Hood's getting good, roof's getting good, trunk is getting good. I mean, the only other thing is I'm just waiting on a steamer, and then I'm gonna start detailing people's cars. Start getting a little detail service going. I got a whole kit sitting right there, so we'll keep on going, keep on rolling. But I hope you guys have a good day. Hope you guys had a good one. I enjoy you guys watching these videos. I know I take a little bit of time to put them up and stuff, but I want to show you guys like what I go through. Like this is the life of having a car and doing dumb shit when you're younger, having to make up for it in the long run. But we're getting it done. We're gonna keep on grinding. Hope you guys have a good one. I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you did enjoy this video, like and subscribe down below. A little comment as well. Really shows me the support of what you guys want to see and whatnot. And also go follow me at Dallas Billets on Instagram. That always shows me love and appreciation, and you can always stay up to date with anytime I'm about to post a video. But anyways, you guys have a good night. You guys take care. Peace out.